Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have VAULTBOY here. Everything hits me at once. So this is a calm, great song to practice here for easy chords and very basic strumming patterns. So let's give it a try. We have the capo set here on 4th position, 4th fret, and we have, I believe, 5 chords to go over here. 5 chords, yes. So let's take a look at the chords. We have C first, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. G coming up there, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And we have, of course, one bar chord as well, so that is F. So you place a bar here on the 1st fret of all strings, and then we add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So C, A minor, D minor, G, and F. All right, so we're gonna look at the strumming pattern first, and we're gonna illustrate it with the first chord, the C. C is the first chord. So I'll grab the C. One strumming round will be down, down, clap, down. Pretty simple there. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Alright, so let's dive into the song. We have the first verse. It goes C, 2 string rounds, A minor 2, D minor 2, and G2. We're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. And then afterwards, you're gonna play C2 and G2. So this C2 and G2 is in the lyrics when it sings, when I get back to my room and so on. So at that point you play C2 strummings and G2 strummings. So one verse goes like this. C, A minor, D minor, G. Again. After this G here comes a longer break there, and that takes us into the first chorus. You're gonna continue with the same strumming here through the entire song. So now you're gonna play A minor 1, C1, and F2. You play that again, A minor 1, C1, and F2. So 2 rounds of that chord progression. Then on the 3rd round, you're gonna play A minor 1, G1. So not C, you're gonna play the G1 and then F2. And then on the 4th and final round there, you're gonna go back to the original A minor 1, C1, and F2. So total of 4 rounds there. 1, 2, and number 4 is about A minor, C, and F. But the 3rd round is A minor, G, and F. Let's go together. Again, A minor, C, and F. Now A minor, G, F. And back to A minor, C, and F. That is the first chorus. Now you're gonna turn back again to the verses. You're gonna play in the same way, but now only 1 round of the C, A minor, D minor, and G. So only 1 round, everything else is the same, and that takes us to the pre-chorus actually, because we have a pre-chorus there as well. So it comes in here right after the 2nd verse. You're gonna play F2, G2, A minor 2, G1 plus a pause. So G, F, G, A minor, All right, and that builds up for the second chorus. The second chorus is played in exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. These 4 rounds, and you're gonna play in the same way, first, second, and fourth. So that is no changes there. And after this second chorus comes an outro part. You're gonna play strumming A minor 1, G1, and F2. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that sums it up for VAULTBOYs. Everything hits me at once. Yeah, a terrible feeling anyway. That's how life goes sometimes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give me a like there, and until next time, play tuned.